friends! Today I'm going to be making KYUIRI-NO-Q CHAN. It's eaten all over Japan and it's very famous and it's almost like a national cucumber tsukemono. I didn't know I could make KYUIRI-NO-Q CHAN in my kitchen. It's easy but in a very unexpected way. It has a crunchy texture with a sweet and sour taste and it goes so well with rice. Let's get started. First things first, we are going to boil the cucumber. This is the unique step to create a signature texture of squashy crunchiness. I had no idea boiling the whole cucumber makes the crunchy texture. But I have tried another recipe without boiling the whole cucumber, but it doesn't create the comfortable texture, so this is the best way to make the KYURI-NO-Q CHAN. Boil for 5 minutes and take it out and let it cool. Meanwhile, shred the fresh ginger. Cut the cucumber into 8 mm in thickness, 1/3 of an inch. Pour the seasonings into the pot and bring it to a boil. Add the prepared cucumber and let it boil again. When it reaches the boil, stop cooking and let it cool. And that's it! You have your KYURI-NO-Q CHAN. How easy is that? I don't know you can access to the Japanese cucumber, but you can give it a try with your local cucumbers. Let me know how it turned out and if you can share it with me on my Facebook group Happy Eating. That would be very appreciated. いただきます。Do you hear the crunch? Let me try the ochazuke. It doesn't look so nice, but this is a comfort food. So good. It's just like a store-bought KYURI-NO-Q CHAN, but no, it's a better version. Thanks for watching and I hope you give this recipe a try.